Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Today is Mother's Day, and I just want to send this a special message to all the mothers out there. So, what does it mean to be a mother? It pretty much means that you not just only bring forth a child into the world, but you care for that child, you instill discipline in that child, you love and protect that child so that a child can grow up and be a productive member of society. I know a lot of females feel that, just having a baby and just being a mother, that's it. No, but it's a job. It's your responsibility to provide and care for that child. I know that not many fathers are around to help nurture and raise that child, and a lot of you mothers out there have to do it on your own, and I really commend you for that. I just want to say I appreciate you for that, and you have to continue to push on and be strong and love and care for your child. Remember, you're the one that had that child, so regardless of your situation, just try to embrace the fact that you bring forth a life into the world. And it's a blessing whenever a woman have a baby. It's a blessing. You bring forth a life into this world, just like a flower. It grow and then it blooms. It's so beautiful. So that's how I see a woman having a child. That's how I see it. It's beautiful. I really appreciate them and embrace them, and I like the fact that that's how God made us. God made women to reproduce, to for us to love and care for them and protect them, and it is just a cycle. That's how we're made. So I really appreciate all the mothers out there, and I just want to say lots of love and respect. The journey is tough, taking care of a baby, raising a baby, having somebody live inside of your tummy for 9 months, some go to 7 months, and it's really hard. So I just want to say congrats, and I hope you enjoy this day. So that's my message to all the mothers out there. Enough love and respect. It's Mark Plunkett, JVLOGS people. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Enjoy your Mother's Day. Enough love. I'm out.
Many times looking back when I was so afraid, and then you come to me and you say to me I could face anything.